Yeah.
Go back in time, Jack.
Got it on the bottom. Yeah, your keys. Here. I'm scared her away.
Okay.
Are you recording it?
Yes.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
I think it's off.
It's on. I'll give you a push.
No, it's too heavy.
It's going earlier.
It's
it
too
dead?
heavy. That's
Is
the
the battery
problem.
I don't think so. I think
It's
it's
not-
too much weight.
Too much weight.
It went earlier though.
With Jackum?
Yeah, right before you went to get the camera.
Here, I'll give you it. Are you holding it down? That didn't work out really well.
It's not working very well. Jackum is resisting.
And it says the battery's full.
Oh, there
right
it
there
goes.
goes. Yeah, Jackum! Hey, yeah, no! Woo! Oh, Jackum's having a good time! Huh? Of course, the camera already says dead battery. The battery life on this
It's
is
a good
horrible.
train, Jackum. You like it? This dog is not cooperating.
Okay, you got him?
Wet too. All right.
Jacob's like, oh, I want to
Are you
ride.
ready,
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right.
Oh. I hope he doesn't scratch you.
You're not kidding. You're like,
No! No!
you know how to get Wampus?
I can't get him from there. Chris might be able to.
Chris! Come and get Wampus.
He's under the car.
Surround the car, that way he can't get out.
He's under the pilot.
Wampus! Wampus, here boy. Here kitty.
Okay, kitty.
Wampus, right now.
Want some catnip? Wampus. Come on, Wampus. Come on. Seriously. Yeah, you're a party pooper.
I got him.
Yeah, come on. Come on, it's okay. We're friends, Wampus. I just want you to have a good time.
Get him now.
Kitty.
Chris is aggressive. Chris is aggressive against these animals.
We got him.
Hey, Wampus, it's okay. You have nothing to fear.
Now, be careful, because this thing has a quote dead battery. This battery might just go out any second.
Yeah. It's a risk I have to take.
What, getting scratched?
Yeah.
Or losing him as a friend? Oh, a nice plaid shirt. Ooh. Okay. Make sure he's... Hold him with one hand and then operate with the other. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is it, man. Oh, he's coming. Woo! Okay. Oh, no. Look at him run! Look at him run! Oh! He's like in the bushes.
Chris, he went in there.
He's in the bushes. He's right there. I see him. I see him. I see him. Hey, kitty. Hey, Wampus. Hey, kitty.
Not there.
Oh, he's right here on camera.
Did he move?
He's right in there. Hey, kitty.
Gotta get him out. How are we gonna get
He's
him?
tropical rainforest cat.
Are you a rainforest cat?
Have to let him recover.
Yeah.
A very stressful experience.
Get this one done.
He didn't have a good time like the dogs
I
did.
have an idea. I have an idea.
He's right there. He's not going to come out. He's direct.
Oh.
He has a very high intensity go-kart ride.
Yeah.